Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Today we are doing a short beginner's core workout. It shouldn't be any longer than 7 or 8 minutes, guys. We're gonna have 5 different core exercises. In between those exercises, we're gonna be walking in place for 30 seconds. What I want you to concentrate on today is very deliberate and impactful movements. Really concentrate on that core when you're doing those core exercises. Concentrate on your walking when you're doing the walking. I want you to keep really good form throughout this workout. This will keep you coming back day after day, week after week, month after month, and hopefully year after year as you build your fitness. So I'm not gonna talk anymore, guys. Let's get going in a couple of seconds, and we're gonna begin with walking in place for 30 seconds. Give me 2 seconds to set up, and I'll see you then. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's start by walking for 30 seconds. We're just gonna be walking in place with nice high knees. So just start with me, and let's start 30 seconds right now. I understand everybody's gotta start somewhere. This will be a perfect little core workout, including a little bit of cardio that you can start with. Like I said, it shouldn't be any longer than 7 or 8 minutes. Give us a little bit of a warm up here, and then we'll start doing our core. This walking we're gonna do between every exercise, and the exercise is gonna be 5 of them. So after every exercise, 30 seconds of walking in place. Right now we have 5 seconds left. After this, we're gonna do a standing core exercise. It's gonna be elbow to knee, all right? Put your hands behind your head and opposite elbow to opposite knee. Don't worry about trying to touch your elbow to your knee. Just follow along with me and keep it up. This is number 3. We're doing 10 repetitions. 4 and 4 on the other side. 5, 5. 6, 6. Do not strain. Lift the knee up rather than trying to twist your torso towards your knee. We got 2 more on each side. 1, 2, and 2. Shake it out a little bit and right back to walking in place for 30 seconds. All right. From here we are going to go to a different exercise. You're going to spread your legs a little bit and going to bend down. Just follow along with me. Pretend you're picking something up and then dropping it up on the other side. For now, however, we're just walking. We got 15 more seconds of walking left before we start the next exercise. 10 more seconds, guys. I'm trying to keep the clock going right and not make any mistakes. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. All right, I want you to spread your legs out. Lunge to one side as low as you can. Pretend you're picking something up and put it down on the other side. And that's 1 repetition. Up and down. That's 2 repetitions. We're going for 10. Once again. Up and down. We're at 4. Up and down. Keep the other leg straight if you can. That's 5. So this knee is bent. This one stays straight. We're at 6. 7. Nice and easy. 8. 2 more. And down on the other side. 1. And this is the last one. And put your object down and back up. And we're back to walking, guys. All right, 30 seconds of walking once again, roughly 30 seconds. There should be a clock running above my head somewhere right now. Just keep watch, and if you don't keep watch, just follow along with me. That'll work just fine. From here, we're going to drop down for some crunches. Everybody knows what a crunch is, I hope. If not, we're going to lay down on the ground. We're going to tuck your knees, and we're just going to lift our shoulders and our upper back off the ground. Do not cross your fingers behind your head as we're doing these. We're dropping down right now. I'll give you more instructions. So press your lower back against the ground, firmly against the ground. There should be no space here. Put your head back. Do not pull on your neck as you go up. So I want you going up, straight up into the ceiling, not so much in front of you, all right? Do not pull on your neck and just go up as high as you can. And we're going for 20 repetitions. Ready? And let's go. 1, and nice and easy. 2, squeeze that core on the way up. 3, perfect. It's not a race, guys. 4, nice. 5, 6, and control it. 7, there should be constant tension on the core. 8, even when you're laying back down on the ground, you should still have tension on it. 9, perfect. 10, that means we're halfway. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 more, nice and slow and controlled. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 20. Good job, everybody. All right, let's get back up to our standing position. We're gonna start walking. All right, we're walking in place, 30 seconds. Nice high knees. From here, we are going to go to a Russian twist. If you guys don't know what it is, for this one, since it's a simpler one, we're gonna keep our legs on the ground throughout, and we're gonna twist from one side to the other side while we're kind of in a seated, angled seated position. You'll see me do it in a few seconds. We have another 10 seconds of walking, so walk it out with me. All right, and let's get down on the ground. Ready? This is the Russian twist, and we are going for 20 repetitions. I want you to keep your feet on the ground for this one. Lean back as far as you can. Put the tension on that core and just twist from one side to the other. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can, try to touch those hands to the ground. 8, 9, 10. We're halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 20. All right, let's get back up and walk for another 30 seconds. So walk with me. Just nice little simple walk in place, guys. Keep it up. We have one more exercise, and let's do one more walk to finish it off. That sounds like the right thing to do. We're gonna go to very slow and deliberate mountain climbers. So we're gonna get it into a straight arm plank, and we're gonna climb like as if we're climbing a ladder. Ready? We'll get down on the ground in a few seconds. Let's do it in about 5 seconds or so. 4, 3, I hope my clock is right because it's in my head. 2, 1, all right. So nice. Get into a plank position or a push-up position. Hold it here. And then give me 10 mountain climbers. So just bring your knee up and put it down, all right? So that's where we're going. We're going for 10. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. All right, guys, let's get back up and let's finish up with our walk. We got 30 seconds of walking, guys. Nice little march. We got our heart rates moving a little bit. We got a basic core workout. For some of us, it's very basic. For some of us, it isn't. I hope you guys got it done with me. It was fun for me to do, and I can feel it a little bit. In order to feel these workouts, guys, you really have to concentrate on the muscle that you're working. And you actually don't have to work that hard on it, and you'll feel it right away. Just keep full tension on it at all times. So our walk is coming to an end, guys. And that's it. That was our beginner core workout. Like I said, it was only 6 or 7 minutes. It wasn't very long, but I feel it was very effective, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. And I will see you hopefully every Monday and every Thursday. And any other time you wish to have a good workout. I have over 200 workouts on this channel, guys. Check some of them out. Some of them are a little more advanced. Some of them are very easy. There's also a beginner's playlist. I believe it's 20 weeks long with 2 workouts a week. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Paul, and I'll see you guys later.